There we go. So overall, I love it. I think you guys are going to be very happy with it as well. Hello my friends, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're taking a look at the Mubview Video Doorbell. I must say this is my favorite doorbell brand. And I say that because I actually have one of their doorbells already on, a little different model than this one, and I have absolutely loved it. We've had it for, I believe it's been about a year now, and I love it. It works fantastic. I love their app. So the app works great. Everything about it works great. So I'm very excited to be putting this one on our back door. So let me go ahead and open everything up. They provide you with batteries. And this is just your wireless chime here. You just place batteries inside here, which is nice. I like that. Alright, we're going to adjust the volume here. Okay. So we got that set up. We're going to go take a look here. This is the actual cam. Or doorbell cam, I should say. It says press 1 second to turn on, press 5 seconds to turn off. DC reset. To take it out of its bracket, you're going to need the little pin that they give you and unlock. So you kind of push it in like that, and then you push up with your fingers. That unlocks your back bracket. And then you can go ahead and you can access everything from there if you want. You can get your SIM card that's inside. Take this little tool here, pop this open, place your TF card inside there. You can also do factory reset and also charge it, with the port in there as well for charging it up. And we're going to actually go ahead and charge that up and show you guys final product. So guys, here we can see, you can see the camera right now. So we got it hooked up and, it's really nice. I love Mubview. I think they make amazing doorbell cameras. Now, it is recording live. There's just no, there we go. So overall, I love it. I think you guys are going to be very happy with it as well. And you can record, talk, and so much more.